Hi, I'm Stu from Proline, New Zealand. We've been selling vacuum sealers for a number of years now, and I've got a couple of units here that I'd just like to run through with you in a little bit more detail. I guess first off, a lot of people ask, why vacuum seal? Who's vacuum sealing? Well, there's a lot of good reasons. Number one, you're going to save a lot of money. You're going to eliminate waste, and you're going to keep your food tasting and fresher and lasting a heck of a lot longer. Okay, so let's take a look at these two babies here, and first off I'll just talk to you a little bit about the features of our commercial unit. Great unit, really sturdy, very durable, and it's a top of the line product for those of you that are doing a lot of vacuum sealing. So very, very heavy duty unit, more so than you would get in your everyday typical domestic unit. So we lift the unit up. Inside the unit here you can see you've got a nice wide roll holder, 30 centimetres wide, so that's going to hold the widest roll that is out there and available. I'm using custom bags here. You can get pre-cut bags, but these are custom bags. Close the lid, just keep some gentle pressure on it and push the handle down. Now all we do here is press the manual seal button. So we're counting down now, it's heating up and it's creating a good seal on the bag. And then you can see here on this end of the bag a twin seal. So most vacuum sealers will just have one seal. Having a twin seal really just gives you more durability and a better seal for a longer period of time. With the cutter, simply slide that across, and there's your bag ready to go. Sealed at one end, open at the other. Just put a bit of steak, pop that in there. So we lay this over the open part of the bag into the vacuum chamber. So we've got one button here that has a standard setting, a moist setting and an extended setting, and the moisture or the wet of the food that you're vacuum sealing, that will depend on what setting you use. So with the steak, we've set it to moist because there's a bit of moisture in the meat. Then we have a pressure option. So we've got an option here of normal pressure or gentle pressure. So with the steak, we just leave it on normal. With a delicate food, maybe like some grapes here, that's when you might use the gentle setting, and it just means that your food's not going to get crushed. And there we go. We just hit the button. It's just sucking the air out now. The LCD's doing the countdown to give us an idea of the progress as we go. There's your product. See all of there's your meat there, all of the ears taken out of that. Job done, simple as that. So that can go in the fridge now, go in the freezer, and that's it's trapped in all the the freshness, all the nutrients and the taste. So when you get this meat out, it's going to be just as tasty as the day that we sealed it.